Okay, today we see some algebra concepts. So first of all, what is a constant? Constant is our numbers. Positive number, could also be negative number, could also be fraction. All these things are known as constants because they have a fixed value. Variable denoted by alphabets. The values are always changing. That's why the name is here variable. What is a term? To tell you simply, is a combination of constant and a variable. Is a term. What is a like term? So if I write down 3a and 4a, these two are known as like terms. Why like terms? Because they have the same variable. 3a and 4b are unlike terms. The variables are different. So if I have like terms, can I add them? I can. Answer is 7a. Can I subtract them? Possible. 3a minus 4a. Answer is minus 1a. Normally we don't put the 1. So it is minus a. To multiply, you need to multiply number with number. 3 with 4, which is 12. A with a, which is a power 2. So when you divide, the a and a will get cancelled. Answer is 3 over 4. Now let's do the 4 operation for unlike terms here. 3a plus 4b, you can't simplify it any further. 3a minus 4b, also same. You cannot simplify it any further. 3a times 4b, 12ab. 3 times 4 is 12. A times b is ab. 3a over 4b, on top a, bottom b. So we can't cancel. 3 and 4, nothing in common. So we simply need to leave it there. So here we learn constant, variable, term, like term, unlike term, and the 4 basic operations. Let's now go to the next section, which is expansion. When I need to expand 2 times a plus 2, the answer is 2a plus 4. How did I get that? It is 2 times a and then 2 times 2. So when I multiply inside the bracket, I need to multiply each and every term inside the bracket. The next one, 2a plus 2b. Works the same way. Next one, a times a square. A times b, ab. K times a, ka. K times b, kb. 3 times a, 3a. 3 times minus 2, negative 6. 4 times b, 4b. 4 times minus 3, negative 12. So the answer going to be 3a plus 4b. Negative 6 and negative 12 become negative 18. A bit more longer one. 5a plus 5b minus 5c. 2b plus 2c. 3a plus 6c. Now write all a terms together, which is 5a plus 3a. Write all b terms together, which is 5b plus 2b. Write all c terms together, minus 5c plus 6c. Now simplify. 8a 7b plus c. That's the final answer. Now let's take another expression here. X times x minus y, y times x plus y. Let's multiply this. X times x, x square, x times y minus xy, y times x, yx, y times y, y square. xy and yx is the same, so they cancel each other. Final answer is x square plus y square. So when you expand inside the bracket, you need to multiply each and every term inside the bracket. The third one is factorize. Factorization is a reverse of expansion. So you need to take out common terms. So look for common constant first, then look for common variable. 2 and 4, the common is 2. Here got a, here don't have a. So I need to take out only 2. So the first term we have a balance a plus, from the 4 if we take out the 2, balance there is another 2. So if we expand this, you should get back the original expression. 2 times a, 2a, 2 times 2, 4. So factorize basically the reverse of expansion. Here also 2 is common, a plus b. Here no constant, but you look at the variable, a is common. You got a square, which is a times a. And here got ab. So a can take out, balance is a plus b. In this, k is common, k times a plus b. In question 5, a also common, b also common. So ab can take out. AB can take out. Question 6, B is common, C also common. So BC can take out A plus, since you have taken out the BC here, you got a balance 1 here. Now look on this 35 and 7. So 7 is common. You got A here, don't have A here. You got a B here, got a B here. So 35, if you take out 7, balance is 5, A. The B you took out. Minus 7B you took out already, C. Now let's take a look at the next expression. 50 and 40, 10 is common. You have y here, you also got y here, 10y. Balance is 5x. 50 take out 10 would be 5. Minus 40 take out 10 would be 4. And 1y here. Another y you took out already. So you multiply back, you will get back this. Question 9, x is common. X square minus 2x plus 3. So factorization is the reverse of expansion. Is actually the reverse of expansion. So far we learned algebra basics, expansion, factorization. Now we see here, how do we add two equations, or how do we solve equations? Okay. So I got here 2a plus 5 equal 13. First of all, The reverse for plus 5 is minus 5. So I need to do minus 5 both sides. So on the left side, I get 2a because plus 5 and minus 5 goes off. On the right side, I get 8. Then need to remove this 2. So I need to divide by 2. Remember, we always do the reverse operation. We always do the same operation on the left side as well as on the right side. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. We get a. 8 divided by 2 become 4. Answer is a equal 4. Let's look at the next question. 3b minus 5. Since we have a minus 5, we need to plus 5. Same plus 5 the right side. So we get 3b equal 12 because minus 5 plus 5 gone. 7 plus 5 is 12. 3b divided by 3, 12 divided by 3. This side become b, this side become 4. So it's quite simple. You just do the reverse operation, both sides. Solve it slowly, step by step. 5c minus 12 plus 12, 28 plus 12. So you got 5c equal 40 because minus 12 plus 12 gone. 28 plus 12 is 40. Now 5c divided by 5, 40 divided by 5, we get c equal 8 because the 5 and 5 get cancelled. 40 divided by 5 is 8. C equal 8. So we solve 3 questions with one variable, which is 1, 2, 3. Let's take a look here. We got d here also, d there also. So we need to do slowly one by one. First, we need to remove this 2d here. So we get here 6d plus 5 minus 2d, 2d plus 25 minus 2d. We do step by step. 6d minus 2d is 4d plus 5. 2d and minus 2d gone, 25. So we get back somewhat similar to question 1. Now since we have a plus 5, 4d plus 5 minus 5, 25 minus 5. So we got 4d equal 20. Now divide by 4, d equal 5 because the 4 and 4 get cancelled. Quite simple. A reverse operation, do at the same time for both sides. 3f minus 12. Since you have a plus f here, minus f both sides. F plus 4 minus f. 3f minus f become 2f. This side f and minus f get cancelled. 4. Since you got a minus 12 plus 12 both sides, so we get 2f equals 16. Minus 12 plus 12 gone. 2f divided by 2, 16 divided by 2. So 2 and 2 get cancelled. F equal 8. So as long as you do the reverse operation slowly on each side, you are good to go. So let's take a look what we have next. Oh, fraction simplification. This is basically for any kind of division of algebraic expression. Right. So let's take a look now. What would be the answer for this? So as long as the terms are in multiplication up and down, we can cancel each other. Meaning you have a c here, you have a c here, can cancel. So you have a number 3, you don't have any number below, So it is 3. A square divided by A would be 1A. And then you got a B below, don't have a B. So 3AB, this is already simplified. So we got 1 here, 3AB. Now let's take a look here. Can I cancel this 5 and this 5? I can't because I have a plus here. So what I should do, I should factorize the numerator, which is take out 5a plus 2 divide by 5. Now you look at the 5, we can cancel because it is 5 times. So this 5 can get cancelled. Answer is a plus 2. We can't cancel the a and a or this a and this a because they are in subtraction. So the top need to factorize 2a minus 1 divide by 2ab. Now if you look, this 2a is in multiplication. So 2 can cancel with 2, a can cancel with a. 2a minus 1 divide by b. Over here, can I cancel the x and x? Cannot, because it's in plus. Can I simplify the 10 and 15? Also cannot. They are involved in plus. So what we should do? We should factorize this. 4 and 10, common is 2. 6 and 15, common is 3. So now if you look at it, the 2x plus 5, the whole term is in multiplication. So this go away with this. Answer is 2/3. So when you cancel, ensure that the terms are in multiplication. That's important. So the top need to factorize, which is AB. Then you got extra A here, extra B here. Divide by AB. AB divide by AB. So AB is in multiplication, AB is in multiplication, can cancel. Final answer is A plus B. So when you simplify fraction, you need to be a bit more careful. So when you do that correctly, then you will get the correct answer. These are the fundamental concept of algebra. Do practice more questions on this. Take any algebra book or from any algebra website. Take few questions along these topics and then regularly you practice. You'll become more proficient. I will see you in the next lesson.